Hey, good morning, everyone. Jesse at Treestand Man Outdoors. I'm here with Eddie, and we're on our way down to Maine to do a little bit of turkey hunting. It's 1 in the morning right now. Should get there right around legal shooting time. It's pouring out, so it should be an interesting drive, but yeah, we're gonna have some fun. Stop for some coffee and on the way. Alright, we made it to our spot. We're gonna try to get some shot gobble going. We might have heard one a ways off, but go ahead and give it a rip, Eddie. So we're heading out to the field. You see anything, Ed? So, came across this skidoo. Good eye. Yeah, this thing got tore up. Yeah, we're walking the old snowmobile trails, so yeah, that one was a little bit less fortunate. All right, so we had our first experience with a turkey.
Yeah.
So we were
just driving around and seeing a bird here last year, and I look over and there's a big, I think it was a jake, but a big jake just standing here on one of these logs. We couldn't get out of the truck fast enough to get over to him.
But that was a pretty fun experience. So we got eyes on a bird. Everything's yeah, torn everything apart, trying to get the guns ready. Well, all right. Well, we know where there's a bird. We went back about half a mile, and we're setting up. We're gonna be setting up a decoy and trying to call him, just soft call him in. We should be no more than a quarter mile from him, depending on how far he left when we spooked him. So we made it to our evening spot. We're going to be setting up on the bird, the same location that we saw that bird this morning. Hopefully we can roost it. Hopefully we can kill it, but we'll see. Hey, good morning, everyone. It's Memorial Day. It's our second day of hunting. We made it back to the woodpile that we saw that bird yesterday. It was right over there. And so we're hoping he's still in the area. It's right at legal shooting time. Hopefully we can hear some gobbles and maybe make a play on this bird. Eddie just shot a bird right out of the air. You've always wanted to do that, haven't you?
Yeah.
Nice job, buddy. Let's just see if we can find him. He took off right here and he dropped. I don't hear him though. It was right in this area. Listen. Dude, right here. He is stone dead. Nice work. Eddie, that is incredible. We were just driving along and that bird ran across the road. We stopped, got out, loaded our guns, came chasing after him, and he took off flying. And he came right over, and Eddie popped him. That was about a 25-yard shot, and he just,
not even.
No. I mean, he was at the edge of that rise right there. Wow, that's awesome. Congrats, man.